Hi guys, it came to my attention that pamac-all was not working 100%, and I thought it was, so my apologies for the user on Telegram. I really thought everything was working just fine, and it is now working fine. It's just a matter, right, of knowledge, figuring out what everything is. And we have now the third party. Let's first show you the enable AOR is on. I've installed a small thing, AOR vote. FLATPAK is on, snap is on. They're all on. Of course, think about refreshing databases so everything comes in again. And yeah, I did an AOR vote. That's what I installed. It's a very small thing. Maybe AOR utils is also something, probably small, I don't know. But just showing you that it builds. You can see some more information down here. And what I always use as an example, which is too big, right? But we need to browse for that. Trackmania something, isn't it called Trackmania something? No. Oh yeah, there it is, Trackmania, and that's coming down from Snap. So whether you install that, I'm not gonna do that. As a little, although is it big? I don't know. Let's see. It feels like it's not big, but it is big. But okay, let's do it 50 megabytes. That's okay. We can play a game later on. So the thing is, what did we do? We created our own package. That's always the best solution if you are, yeah, he's busy. He's working very hard, probably for this little guy here, installing, downloading. Okay. RIP, right? RIP. The last thing I've done, I've installed this, I've installed that, and this is new pamac GTK, pamac CLI, libpamac snap plugin, libpamac FLATPAK plugin, libpamac, right? And we have an arcolinux-pamac-all. So basically that's a meta package. You go to the source. In this case, it's Manjaro, right? You go to the source. You build it with the package builds that these guys provide. There are just two files, basically. And it provides all these packages. What I do is make a arcolinux-pamac-all, right? It's going to be different from the one that we have online, or maybe better type pamac-all, right? So this is the broken, well, broken. It works, right? But not building in AOR. So there's a pamac-all. There is a pamac-all here. And now we have an arcolinux-pamac-all to see if at some point in time the maintainer, because this is not from us, we built it, right? This is us building whatever he is providing or she is providing on the AOR. And it did work at some point in time, but I suppose it's broken again. And as a replacement, until this gets fixed on the AOR, you can install arcolinux-pamac-all. Right? So number one, and then it will say something, this conflicts with this because of the pamac-all that you might already have, or the pamac-AOR that you might already have. So it all has to go. And I do see I have to change some texts in here. That's easily fixed. These things are at this point in time in testing, as you see, ArcoLinux repo testing, but after the new package, after the new build, I'll put it on the normal repo. So bottom line, install this one, sudo pacman -s arcolinux-pamac-all, and say remove, 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 and go for these packages straight from Manjaro. All right, cheers.